Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you very interesting or glam eye makeup look. If you want to know tips and tricks regarding makeup or how I will be achieving that look, तो प्लीज़ वीडियो के साथ बने रहिएगा और मेरे चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो फर्स्ट आई एम गोना यूज़ बीबी आमना का सीरम. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna use Rimmel ka Wonderful Brow Mascara. To hide my dark circles, I'm gonna use Christine ki Orangey Stick. For my concealer, I'm gonna use Beauty Glaze ka concealer. I'm gonna take this brown pencil for my crease. I'm gonna blend this out with a small blending brush. I'm gonna take this brown shade. Then I'm gonna pick this brown shade from the Folklore palette and apply it to my crease. Then I'm gonna blend this all from a clean blending brush. You can use both these. In the center, I'm gonna apply this pink shade. I'm gonna again pick this shade and apply it to my lower lash line. And blend this out. For highlighting my inner corners, I'm gonna use Miss Rose ka shimmer paint. Then I'm gonna use Christine ki loose glitter, which is in the shade White Gold. place. Here we go. For my foundation, I'm gonna use Face It and YS Rocher foundation. This is very light sheer foundation and this is kind of thick foundation. So I'm gonna mix these two foundations and make my shade. Then to set my foundation, I'm gonna use Glamorous Face ka face powder. To contour my face, I'm gonna use Christine ki contour palette. I'm gonna use both the shade. For blush, I'm gonna use Miss Rose ka blush, which is in the shade pink. For highlighter, I'm gonna use my favorite Christine ka highlighter. To set my face, I'm gonna use Rivaj ka setting spray. It locks my old makeup. So make sure eyes closed रखिएगा कि ये मैडोरा की टेराकोटा लिपस्टिक. I'm gonna apply it to the half of my lips. So here it is, my final look. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left